What's up guys, welcome to Superwowstyle. This is Prachi and in today's video we're going to talk about how to keep your skin squeaky clean during the summer months. Now this can be quite a challenge, especially if you're someone who sweats a lot, tends to get clogged pores, or if you're just someone who likes to wear makeup regularly. But here's the thing, keeping your skin clean is literally the first most important step of your skincare routine, because how else will your skin breathe, heal, repair itself? So in today's video I'll share with you some 5 tips, tricks, hacks, whatever you want to call it, and I'm sure they'll come in very handy, so watch it till the end. So first things first, remove your makeup as soon as you're done, especially before your bedtime. This is absolutely non-negotiable if you want your skin to be clean and healthy. During the summer months, I actually prefer micellar water to makeup removal oils, simply because micellar waters, they are excellent makeup removers and they're also very light on the skin. They also don't clog the pores. And of course, it goes without saying, follow your AM PM cleansing routine very diligently. You need to wash your face even at night, especially before bed, because this is when your skin can heal and repair itself the best. When you're sleeping, you're not touching your face, you're not moving your jaw, you're not doing much, right? So this is a time when your skin can actually relax. So wash your face twice a day, especially before bed. This is really going to help you a lot. Also, make sure you exfoliate your skin really well. For this, I love using face scrubs. Of late, I've been using this range of face scrubs from Himalaya, and guys, it has been such an amazing discovery for me. Full disclaimer, by the way, this range of face scrubs are actually sent to me by the brand for this collaboration. But ever since I tried them out myself, I'm telling you guys, I'm genuinely hooked because it has done so much of good to my skin. So of late, I've been obsessed with this Neem variant, which I am totally in love with, especially during the summer season. So before moving ahead, why scrubbing? What does scrubbing / exfoliating your skin really even do? Think of it as next level cleansing. So face washes are very important. A lot of people get confused between face wash and scrubs and things like that. So I'll also explain that. Face washes are great for daily cleansing. They're very important, right? But when you do scrubbing, think of it as next level cleansing. Scrubbing is next league of cleansing, okay? It's really good for deep pore cleansing. Scrubbing also helps to clean up your pores. With regular scrubbing, you also get rid of your blackheads, whiteheads. It also helps to remove all the dead skin cell accumulation. So when you start scrubbing your face on a regular basis, it gives your skin a more polished, a clearer, cleaner look. Like I said, think of it as next level cleansing because it's really good for deep cleansing. Now, scrubbing is not something you do every day. Ideally, 2 to 3 times a week is more than enough. So like I told you, of late I have been obsessed with this Neem variant. Let me show this to you up close. So this is the Himalaya Purifying Neem Face Scrub. And like some of you might be wondering, yes guys, the packaging is upgraded. It is so beautiful, contemporary. It's also, by the way, 100% recyclable. So I think that's a big thumbs up. I love it when brands take care of these little things, I mean, why not? So let me show this to you. It contains neem, it contains apricot. It's actually designed with 100% natural exfoliants. What does this mean? So it contains neem's natural creamy paste that does not dry out your skin. And as some of you probably already know, neem has been used for generations and generations for cleaning up your skin, for skin detox. Neem is something which is absolutely fabulous for the skin, right? And it contains apricot granules. So real natural exfoliants, which is very easy, very light, very breezy on the skin, and yet super for cleansing. So let me show this to you. The texture is creamy, and do you see the granules? They are very tiny, and they're not harsh on the skin, right? They're just very gentle. So now I always say this, whenever you're picking out a face scrub for yourself, make sure it's not too gritty with very large particles. No, that can be a bit much for the skin. Something like this. That's the reason why I love this scrub so much, guys. First of all, the right ingredients. Second, the way it has been designed with very tiny granules, very tiny exfoliants. It's more like massaging your skin when you're cleaning it, so even the usage experience is very nice. It's very calming, very gentle on the skin, and using this is actually very simple. I just wet my skin a little bit first so it spreads better, and then taking a coin-sized amount on my fingertips and scrubbing the T-zone and nose area. I always say this, focus on your T-zone while scrubbing. This is your biggest problem area with the most pore clogging, open pores, whitehead, blackheads. This is where it happens the most, even more so if you have combination skin with an oily T-zone. Massage for about 1 to 1.5 minutes very gently, not more, and then proceed to gently scrub the rest of the face. Scrub away. It will feel so relaxing and so awesome. Then wash your skin and pat dry with a soft cotton cloth. You can use a soft handkerchief like I'm using. Do not use a harsh towel, and apply a gentle moisturizer, and that's it. As you can see, it's such a simple routine, very kind to the skin, and the skin instantly starts to look so much better. For me, I started seeing a difference right from the first use itself, and here's something I want to share with you all. Okay, so after you use the scrub, scrub, that after feel will be a nice cooling sensation on your skin. You'll feel refreshed, you'll feel so refreshed, and there'll be this nice cooling sensation on the skin, so you will feel nice. And right from the first use, I start seeing a difference, and now that I've been using it for a while now, I can say that my skin thoroughly loves this. I generally scrub like 2 to 3 times a week, and that's what I've been doing. So off late, like I'm wearing lipstick, kajal, eyeliner, but on my face, on my skin, I'm not wearing any foundation, concealer, compact, nothing. This is how my skin is looking. My skin has been genuinely in love with this formula. So what I really like about this, that of course, like we just talked about the ingredients and how the granules are super tiny and gentle on the skin. It's also nasties free, so no parabens, no sulfates, no SLS, SLES, none of these things. So whenever I'm using this scrub, I also feel like, okay, yes, I'm using something which is clean, which is good for my skin, which is safe. And by the way, apart from this Neem variant, there are 4 other variants. Let me quickly take you through them one by one. So this is the Himalaya Blackhead Clearing Walnut Face Scrub. It contains walnut and lemongrass, designed specifically for blackhead clearing. Then we have the Himalaya Tan Removal Orange Face Scrub. It contains orange peel. It also contains oatmeal, designed to help with tan removal. Then we have the Himalaya Gentle Exfoliating Apricot Face Scrub with apricot and wheat germ, designed specifically for gentle exfoliation. And finally, we have the Himalaya Clear Complexion Brightening Mulethi Face Scrub, enriched with mulethi and apricot to give you clear, brighter skin. So guys, you can actually pick and choose depending on what your skin concerns are, what your skincare goals are. What I'll do is I will put all the links in the description box below. You can check them out for yourself. And of course, guys, the brand is Himalaya. Himalaya is one of the most trusted brands. It's so popular. It's popular for a reason. It's because it's actually working for people. I have also used a lot of Himalaya products in the past as well. I've always found the products to be very clean, very sensibly designed. Case in point today, right? The ingredients are neem and apricot. What else could you ask for? So a lot of brands you'll see, when it comes to skincare products, they're using harsh, toxic chemicals. Himalaya, on the other hand, is using skin-friendly ingredients, skin-friendly products, things which are actually going to help bring out your best self. So you check them out, and if you have any questions, guys, please post your questions in the comment section below. I would love to help you out. Also, when it comes to skin cleansing, I like following a weekly face steaming ritual. So once a week, you can actually steam your face, and yes, there are different ways of doing this. I'll just tell you how I prefer doing it. I first apply a face mask before steaming so it doesn't feel harsh on the skin, and then I just hold my face over the steam, of boiling water, and that's it. A lot of people use steamers. I don't think that's required really. You can just use, you can just heat water in a pan, in a bowl or whatever, and just use it like that, whatever works for you. So why does steaming work? Steaming is absolutely wonderful for deep pore cleansing. It helps to first open up your pores, and then it pushes out all the bad stuff from your pores. However, one problem with steaming is that it leaves your pores open, so immediately after steaming, make sure that you dab an ice cube. If that feels like too much trouble, here's another hack that you can try out in place of steaming. Just take a towel. For example, let me show this to you. You can just take a soft towel, nothing too harsh, and just warm it by dipping it in hot water, and then just gently pat it on your skin. This will also help a little bit. It's not as effective as steaming, but it does a job pretty well as well. So whatever works for you, but try to do this once a week. You will see amazing results. And last but not the least, whenever you're picking out your products, be it your skincare products, be it your makeup products, be it anything, make sure to check the label for non-comedogenic. Here's something that I want to tell you guys. A lot of natural products also, for example, coconut oil, which is fabulous for the skin, right? Even they can be comedogenic. What do I mean by comedogenic? Actually, let me explain that as well. Comedogenic is anything which is capable of clogging your pores, and a lot of products out there are capable of clogging your pores. So if you want your skin to generally be clean, a good idea is to simply use non-comedogenic products. So always check the product labels, check the ingredients. It's nice to know what you're using on your skin anyway, and it will also help you understand whether it's comedogenic or not. A lot of us are not aware of every single ingredient out there. You can always Google search things. You can always post your comments and your questions in the comment section below. I would love to help you guys if you have any queries. So please share your questions. And also, while you're sharing your questions, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, because let's be honest, this video was super useful and super handy for the upcoming summer season. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel, turn on the bell icon for notifications, guys, and keep coming back to Superwowstyle for more. This is me, Prachi, signing off now. Bye bye.